What if I told you that right now, as we speak, machines are learning faster than we ever thought possible? These machines follow commands and evolve independently. No human supervision, no guidance. It's happening. Imagine a world where AI doesn't need us to correct its mistakes. It improves itself, learns from its failures, and gets better with each passing second. An AI that can teach itself, adapt to its mistakes, and never get tired. It doesn't depend on humans to guide it anymore. It's out there, learning, getting smarter, and reshaping how we approach technology. And that's just the beginning. Today, we're diving deep into what this means for the future, why this new leap in AI is a game changer, how it works, and what it could mean for industries all over the world. Buckle up, because we're not just talking about robots following commands anymore. We're talking about AI breaking free from the chains of human limitations. But here's the unsettling part. What happens when AI no longer needs us at all? How does that change our future, our control? You might think it's far off, but this future is already unfolding right before our eyes. To understand why this is such a monumental shift, let's first take a step back and think about what AI has been up until now. Sure, we've all heard about AI making strides in different areas. AI-powered medical diagnosis tools, AI algorithms that recommend movies, products, or even the next song on your playlist. But in every one of those cases, humans have been in the driver's seat. Whether it's creating the initial code, tweaking results, or evaluating AI performance, humans have always been necessary for the process. AI, for all its wonders, was still just an assistant good at optimizing tasks, but never stepping out of the passenger seat. But now, something new is unfolding. Imagine you're a developer, toiling over line after line of code, checking, double-checking, and debugging for hours. Is it possible for the AI to catch errors and improve without your help? No more hand-holding, no more waiting for human approval. Meta's self-taught Evaluator has changed the game. This new AI model does more than follow instruction. It writes its own code, checks its own work, and learns from its mistakes. It's like having a coding prodigy in your pocket, constantly improving without ever needing to be told what to do. So how does it work? Meta's innovation starts with something called a seed model. Think of it like a newborn AI already equipped with some basic knowledge, but still needing to learn. This seed model is fed vast amounts of human-written instructions, just like how a student might study textbooks to prepare for real-world tasks. From that pool of instructions, the AI doesn't just spit out a generic response. No. It creates two responses, one that it considers good and another that it deems not so great. And here's the kicker, it labels them itself. No human instructor grading it, just the AI teaching itself right from wrong. But it doesn't stop there. It takes this self-assigned task a step further. The AI goes back through these responses, not just once or twice, but over and over again, refining and rethinking its answers. Like a determined student preparing for the ultimate test, the AI works through multiple rounds, improving its reasoning each time until it gets it right. And every time it nails the reasoning, it adds that new knowledge to its growing mental library. Imagine the possibilities. This AI isn't just stuck in a loop, performing repetitive tasks. It's learning as it goes, just like we do. In fact, it learns faster than we could ever dream of. Where humans need rest, breaks, and the occasional cup of coffee, this AI runs non-stop, improving with every pass. Each time it makes a mistake, it becomes a little smarter, a little better, and more capable of tackling complex tasks in the future. Now think about this for a moment. The traditional approach to AI development involved massive teams of experts, people meticulously checking models, ensuring accuracy, and tweaking the system to avoid errors. This process was time-consuming, expensive, and prone to human bias. After all, no matter how hard we try, our personal biases can creep in. But what if that whole system could be bypassed? What if an AI could figure out how to improve itself without the need for human intervention at all. That's exactly what Meta has achieved with the self-taught Evaluator. During tests, Meta's team ran this AI model through a series of challenges, and the results were nothing short of stunning. They tested it with the Llama 370B Instruct model, a highly powerful AI system in its own right. And after just a few rounds of self-improvement, the model's accuracy jumped from 75.4% to an astonishing 88.7%. And here's the best part. This leap in performance happened without a single human lifting a finger. No annotations. No tweaks. Just the AI doing what it does best, learning from its mistakes and getting smarter with every try. That's the kind of independence we've never seen before in AI. It doesn't end there. Meta's self-taught Evaluator also crushed it in another benchmark known as the MT Bench, which tests an AI's ability to handle multi-turn conversations. Think about that for a second. This AI is now capable of understanding and managing complex back-and-forth interactions with ease. Whether it's chatbots, virtual assistants, or customer support systems, this ability to learn on the fly is going to change how we interact with machines forever. The applications are endless. AI that can learn in real time, adapt to new challenges, and respond in ways that are more human than ever before. What's even more impressive is that in some cases, this self-taught AI outperformed models that were carefully trained by human experts. Imagine an athlete breaking world records without ever having a coach. That's the level of self-sufficiency we're talking about. An AI that's not just good, but is evolving beyond what we thought possible. Maybe you're wondering, this is cool, but why should I care? The truth is, this isn't just some tech novelty. It's going to affect businesses, industries, and even everyday life in ways we can't fully comprehend yet. For companies that rely on AI, one of the biggest bottlenecks has always been the need for labeled data. Typically, that data has to be manually annotated by human experts, which takes time, costs money, and slows down innovation. With the self-taught Evaluator, companies can now use their existing, unlabeled data, train AI models faster, and roll out new applications at a fraction of the cost. And it's not just about speed. The AI's ability to learn and improve on its own means it can handle a wide variety of tasks, from customer service to optimizing supply chains, without needing constant supervision. Businesses can deploy this technology and watch as it improves, constantly adapting to new challenges and becoming smarter each day. Imagine the creative possibilities that could emerge when businesses no longer have to worry about traditional AI development cycles holding them back. But let's be clear, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. As with any powerful new technology, there are challenges ahead. One of the biggest risks is ensuring that the initial seed model is high quality. If the AI starts off with flawed or biased data, it could end up optimizing itself in the wrong direction. We could see AI models that look excellent on paper, but struggle in real-world scenarios. That's why careful attention to detail is still necessary, especially in the early stages of deployment. And while the self-taught Evaluator is impressive, it's not a total replacement for human oversight. Periodic checks will still be necessary to ensure that the AI is progressing in the right direction. No matter how advanced AI gets, there's always a risk of it veering off course if it isn't properly monitored. So while we can celebrate this breakthrough, it's important to remain cautious as we move forward. So, what does the future hold? With Meta's self-taught Evaluator leading the way, we're entering a new era of AI, one where machines are capable of learning, adapting, and evolving without our help. The boundaries of what's possible are being pushed further every day, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. Whether it's smarter virtual assistants, autonomous systems, or entirely new industries built around AI, the potential is limitless. This innovation wave requires us to tread carefully. Self-evolving AI has immense power, and with great power comes great responsibility. The decisions we make now will shape the future of AI, and it's up to us to ensure that these technologies are used for the benefit of all. So if you're as fascinated by the future of AI as we are, share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.